What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I just discovered a platform that claims you can send, receive, and even spend crypto like normal cash right here in Nigeria. All right, and not just that, guys, they also claim you can convert your crypto instantly and even use a card to pay for things globally wherever you may be worldwide. Okay, but guys, the real question is this one of those rare opportunities or just another platform making big promises? Okay, so guys, in this video today, we're going to find out if the claims are real. All right, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what to do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever Don Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you'll always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. All right, guys, so here we are back on the website's homepage. Okay, so the name of this platform is called DogPay. All right, and from what they claim, it's more than just a crypto wallet, guys. You can actually do various things right here, starting from storing your crypto asset on the DogPay app, converting your crypto asset into cash right here on the DogPay app, and also you can send money globally using the DogPay app. And lastly, you can even use a virtual card for payment right here on the DogPay app worldwide. Okay, so that is basically what you can actually use this app for. All right. So in a nutshell, guys, this basically turns your crypto asset into something you can actually use in real life. Okay. So this could be a big deal, especially for people in Nigeria where accessing global payment is still a struggle, guys. Okay. So right now, how do you get access to the DogPay app? So guys, getting access to the DogPay app is actually quite easy. What you simply need to do is I'm going to be leaving the sign up link to the DogPay app down below this video description. And also the sign up link is going to be on my WhatsApp and Telegram community, guys. Okay. You can actually join my community. I share updates from time to time. The links to my community is going to be on this video description as well. Okay. So when you actually hit on the sign up link, guys, it's going to bring you over to this page you see right here. Okay. So when you are here, all you just simply do is down below here that says get started. You just simply hit on the get started button, guys. Okay, so this is it. So as you can see right here, for my case, I'm already signed up to this platform. So if you're actually not signed up, what you just simply need to do is down here that says create a DogPay account, you just simply hit on it, guys. Okay, the creation process is quite easy. All you just simply need to do is fill in your email right here, and then my invitation code is going to be on this video description as well. So you just simply input my invitation code right here and just hit on next. That is basically how you can sign up, guys. Okay, the sign up process is quite easy. All right. So when you're actually done signing up, guys, the next step would be downloading the DogPay app, and then you log in again using your details you actually use for sign up. Okay. So when you actually log in using your details, the next step would be verifying your KYC, guys. All right. So I'm going to log into my account right now. So I show you guys exactly how you can verify your KYC. Okay. So guys, let's go. All right, guys. So here we are on my account dashboard right now. Okay. So guys, as you can see right here on the dashboard, there are different menus right here in which you can actually use to your advantage. Okay. But firstly, guys, how can you verify your KYC? Okay. So it's quite easy. All you just simply need to do is up here that actually shows this dog sign. You just simply need to hit on the dog sign right here. And then you simply hit on this KYC verification section over here. As you can see, it says I've successfully verified my KYC, guys. Okay. So verifying your KYC is very easy. All you actually need is your document. Okay. It could be your national ID card, your driver's license, your international passport, whatever document ID you have that is issued by your government in your country is actually accepted right here, guys. Okay, because without verifying your KYC right here on the DogPay app, you can't be able to request for a virtual card and all that stuffs right here. Okay, so that is the reason why you actually need to verify your KYC immediately you're actually done, registering an account. As you can see right here, you actually have the deposit section over here. You can actually make a deposit by hitting on deposit right here. And then you can actually see two options, which are the on-chain recharge or receive from another DogPay account. Okay, so guys, the option to actually choose right here is the first one, which says on-chain recharge. Okay, so I'm going to hit on on-chain recharge right now. Okay, so as you can see over here, all you just simply need to do is it says select the wallet. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here and then just select USDT. Okay, there are also several ones you can actually select, but USDT is actually the best. Just simply hit on USDT, and then the recharge network, just simply hit on it and select the network. Okay, so they actually have several networks right here. They have the Ethereum, the Tron, the Solana, the Base, the Arbitrum, the Binance Smart Chain, and the Polygon. Okay, so as we all know, guys, the Binance Smart Chain is actually the cheapest to actually use while sending USDT. Okay, so I'm going to hit on Binance Smart Chain right here, guys. Okay, so that is it. And then the next step would be hitting on confirm right here. Okay, and mind you, guys, you can also use the Binance Pay to actually make a deposit right here into your account by hitting on Binance up here, guys. Okay, and then you just simply select the wallet. If it's USDT, you just simply select, and then you actually input the amount you actually want to send in. As you can see, the minimum recharge is actually 1 USDT, guys. Okay, so that is basically how it is. So when you're actually done inputting the amount right here, you simply hit on confirm, and they'll be giving you their Binance Pay number to actually make a payment into your DogPay account. So that is basically how you can do this, guys. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this on-chain recharge again and just simply hit on the network section and select the chain. And then I simply hit on confirm, guys. Okay, so this is basically how the address looks like. All right, you can either scan using QR code to actually make a deposit, or you can simply copy your address right here to make a deposit, guys. That is basically how easy it is. Okay, so I'm going to go back right now. So as you can see over here, you can actually make withdrawals by hitting on the withdraw button right here and just simply select the on-chain withdrawal or the other one right here that says, transfer to DogPay user. That is basically how easy it is, guys. Okay, you can actually make withdrawals very easy right here by selecting your wallet. Okay, and then you select the network, just as easy as this, and then the pay address. Okay, the address you actually want to send in money to, you just simply paste it right here and the withdraw amount, and then you simply hit on confirm. That is basically how you can withdraw out your funds right here on the DogPay app, guys. All right, so the next button right here is actually the swap button, guys. Okay, if I actually hit on swap right now, as you can see, you can swap between cryptocurrencies right here very easily, guys. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to go back, and right here that says transfer, guys. You can actually transfer funds from your USDT balance down to your card balance. Okay, down to your virtual card balance, as you can see right here. Okay, so it's very easy, guys. You can actually reverse the case as well. You can transfer from your budget card down to your USDT by hitting on the reverse button over here at the center, guys. It's quite easy. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to go back, guys. All right, so the next button right here is actually the end button. As you can see, if I actually hit on end right here, okay, they actually claim to give you some dividends right here just by staking your USDT, guys. Okay, so that is basically what they can also do for you right here. All right, so over here that says bank. If I actually hit on bank right now, you can actually create a US bank account right here on the DogPay app. Okay, by hitting on open account right here. As you can see, it says USD account, local ACH/wire transfers, international payments, USD only, non-USD auto converted, cross-border friendly. Okay, so that is basically what this bank can do for you guys. All right, so I'm going to hit on open account again. As you can see, all you just simply need to do is fill in all your details right here, starting from your nickname, your occupation, and down below here that says FATCA. It says please download and complete the form w8ben.pdf, then upload it. Okay, so it's very easy, guys. All you just simply need to do is hit on the w8ben.pdf right here. Okay, and then you simply need to have a drive for PDF on your phone. Okay, so you just simply hit on it. All right, so it's going to load up, guys. Here we are. So this is what the form looks like, guys. Okay, the W8Ben form. It's just to indicate that you are not a US citizen. Okay, so it's quite easy. You just simply, look at it very closely and fill in all the details. Okay, using your PDF, file on your phone to actually fill in this document. Very easy. As you can see, this is a pen button over here. You just simply hit on the pen, and then you can easily, hit on it and start filling your details. Okay, very easy, just like this. Okay, so this page right here that said I should sign, I just simply sign by doing like this. As you can see, very easy, guys. This is my signature right here. It's very easy. Okay, so when you're actually done doing all of that, you can simply download the form again. So when you actually download the form again, you just simply send the form to them either on PDF format or on the normal picture format. That is basically how you can actually submit the form to them again, guys. Okay, so I'm going to go back. All right, I'm going to discard. I'm going to go back, guys. That is it. So over here, that says source of funds certification. All you actually need is just your bank statement, guys. Okay, so you can provide your bank statement either on PDF format or on the image format by hitting on this upload files button over here, guys. That is basically how easy it is. Okay, so when you're actually done uploading all these files, all you just simply need to do is hit on this place right here that says submit application. Okay, so that is basically how to go about this, guys. All right, so just make sure to actually contact me if you are not still clear about how you can open your bank account. So I actually guide you, through all this process, guys. Okay, you can contact me. I'm going to be leaving my, group links on this video description. You can simply contact me in regards to this, guys. So I'm going to go back right now. Okay, I'm going to hit on the money section right here, guys. So guys, the next step right now is getting your virtual card. Okay, so how can you actually get your virtual card? So you can actually get your virtual card by simply hitting on the card section right here, guys. Okay, as you can see, I've actually gotten my virtual card already. But for your case, to actually get a virtual card, you just need 10 USDT to get a virtual card for life. Okay, that is basically the amount you can actually use to purchase a virtual card right here on the DogPay app, guys. Okay, so it's quite easy. All right, so these are some functions right here on the card, guys. Okay, you can actually check the card details right here. You can freeze the card right here. You can also check the card settings right here. Okay, and over here that says unnamed card, you can actually name your card right here very easily by hitting on it. Then you simply set a name. Okay, so let's say Don Carms. All right, Don Carms. Then I hit on submit. All right, so guys, the name is going to change right now, okay, to my name. So that is how easy it is. As you can see, the name has changed right now to Don Cams. All right. So guys, lastly, you can actually earn right here through referrals. Okay, by referring your friends down to the DogPay, you get wonderful referral commissions by hitting on the activities button. Lastly, right here, and then you simply hit on the invite now button, guys. Okay, so right here, I'm going to be seeing your referral ID code. You can actually copy this and send to your friends, or you can also send your referral link right here, which is your registration link. You can just copy it and send it to your friends as well, guys. Okay, so this is another way in which you can earn right here on the DogPay app, guys. All right, so more updates will be coming on the DogPay app on my future videos, guys. Okay, so make sure you actually stick with us on this channel, and if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so you always get notified each time amazing videos like this one you just watched right now is being uploaded right here on YouTube, guys. Okay, so guys, if you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. So thank you once more for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.